Telecommunications Development Corporation, Information Technology, Computer Networking, Wireless Communication, Global Technology Solutions, Homeland Security, Training Services, Public Safety, and Project Management. Telecommunications Development Corporation is a company that began with a dream to make a difference to establish and profitably grow a company that would focus on not only providing technology services to its clients, but also to ensure the satisfaction and personal growth of its employees. This dream became real in Washington, D.C.
I knew that I wanted to end up in Washington, D.C. I'd actually did this, not a study, but I had done some research and found out that of the 100 largest black businesses in the country, 25% of them were located here in Washington, D.C. This would probably be a good place to start a business. Born and raised in Philadelphia, went to school in Philadelphia, but knew that I wanted to come to Washington, D.C. I visited D.C. a lot during the time when I was in college.
James Woodyard founded TDC after working for several different telecommunications and technology companies. Today, a global technology consulting firm, TDC has evolved with the needs of its clients.
Our lines of business, we remain a technology company. We learn how to do new things and we then master those things and we continue to grow. And even though the company's been a single company as TDC, it's had 4 lifespans in its time. And it began as a long distance reseller, then it evolved to a training company, then it became an integration type of a company, a technology company, public safety consulting company.
TDC has successfully been able to evolve through the years due to the dedication of its employees. It is a commitment that doesn't extend from a traditional corporate environment, but a commitment that has been nurtured from the home. In fact, home is where James began his business.
At TDC, I've always liked to foster a very home-like environment, hence me living with my job for the first 4 years of the company, and then me living above the company in a 3-unit building until the company took over the entire building.
Today, the success of TDC has much to do with the culture it has created for its employees. One of the early factors contributing to the initial success and subsequent growth of TDC came as a result of James's relationship with Roger Richmond. And this relationship didn't start off exactly perfect.
I offered him a job, and he told me that he had a child and a wife and that he couldn't work for a company that was run out of an apartment. I said, okay, but one day you're going to work for TDC.
In fact, it wasn't until 1 year later, after TDC moved from James's apartment to its current offices, did Roger officially join TDC. With his 20 years of progressive experience in project management, systems implementation, and sales, Roger has been a driving force in the management of all company operations for projects totaling over $6 million.
James and I have been working together since 2000, so about 8 years now. And when we started was our first work with the Office of the Chief Technology Officer. During that time, we got our introduction to the public safety market. So we began to do a lot of work with the planning and development of public safety communication systems and the integration of public safety communication systems for the District of Columbia into the Unified Communications Center.
This new generation of technology, we are now looking at ways to help our customer, the District of Columbia at OUC, at the Office of Unified Communications, establish a program whereby these call takers will be able to receive text messages as well as video streaming in order to help them do their job more efficiently.
Then started working on wireless programs where we were trying to address the various limitations of the current fire department and police department mobile communication systems. Those systems had been implemented probably 6 months before we started the program and had severe in-building limitations. So basically, firefighters could not maintain communications when they were deep inside of buildings. We devised a phased approach to mitigate some of those problems, presented that to the Executive Office of the Mayor, and then began to implement some of those changes. And that evolved to many different wireless programs, and including mobile data terminals for the police department, the regional wireless broadband network, into our other public safety systems integration work with the Unified Communications Center and the Public Safety Communications Center of the District of Columbia. We're also currently working on a computer-aided dispatch system nationwide implementation for Amtrak, which is the first nationwide computer-aided dispatch implementation in the United States. And working with the planning and project management of the Consolidated Dispatch Center for the Baltimore-Washington International Airport.
And it's very rare to work for a company where you're given the opportunity to actually deploy different systems.
Technology kind of brings us all together. TDC is a very technologically forward company.
The success of these projects, as well as TDC overall, can be attributed to many factors, but there is one particular strength that stands above the rest.
To marry project management expertise with subject matter expertise, which means that we want to ensure that the personnel that we staff on a project both have an intense understanding of the subject matter that we're dealing with, but as well have an ability to deliver projects. And so we try to ensure that that classic project management methodology is incorporated into every project, and as well we have subject matter expertise that's apparent and evident in every one of our projects.
It is the diverse team at TDC that really makes a difference.
Clearly the key to the success of TDC so far has been the people that we work with. The talent that they bring to the table is phenomenal, and we've been really lucky to be able to attract and maintain top-notch professionals across all the disciplines that we've served.
Two things that I clearly see distinguish TDC from others are, first, their commitment to their clients. This is, superb commitment. And secondly, the quality of the people, that they assign to the projects.
So what's next for a company that has already achieved so much great success?
I think the future of TDC lies in our ability to replicate the things we've been successful at in the District of Columbia for the last 8 years in other municipalities. I think we have a very unique approach, and we have a unique resume of successes, particularly in the public safety and the homeland security marketplace. In addition, I think we also have a niche in our ability to integrate technology into the early phases of construction of facilities, and that's been a key area of our success as well.
TDC's commitment to its customers and employees, along with its willingness to evolve and adapt to the needs of their clients, set the company on a path for continued success.